Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable ruffle wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring. I have some mesh, and this is actually kind of a mixture of burlap and mesh. So I decided to use mesh that matches the blue. You can definitely go with pink, green, whatever you prefer. And scissors. Alright, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is layer my mesh. I'm going to put the blue under the bottom and then the burlap multicolor on top. Pull my mesh to a nice little point. And I'm actually going to tie it in a knot on the innermost ring. Just like that. Cut away the excess, or you can tuck it away. It will be hidden once we start, adding more mesh. And we're going to pull our mesh in the first inner space, and then the second, and then the third. And I chose to go with blue for the under layer, but you can go with any color. You can even mix up all 3 colors if you choose to do so. It's completely up to you. Alright, so I have my 3 loops. I try to make them as uniform as possible. They do not have to be the exact same, but just as close as you can get them. And the size of your loops is going to determine how much mesh you need for your entire wreath. So I always say have extra on hand just in case. Alright, so I'm going to scrunch and twist my mesh a couple of times. And then go back to my first inner space. And repeat my same steps. And I'm going to do this all the way around my wreath. Alright, so this is what 2 rows look like. You can definitely scrunch it again and add in 1 more if you choose to do so. I know that 2 rows in each of my 8 sections, that usually makes a pretty decent sized wreath, so that's what I'm going to go with. Now I'm just going to continue repeating this step all the way around my wreath. You can go with more or less if you choose to do so. I think I will probably separate the layers once we come to the end, and that'll make it even fluffier. But if you want to keep it layered, you can definitely add in a 3rd row and make it even poofier like that. So the possibilities are endless. Just have fun with it and make it your own. So once you come to the end, what I like to do is just cut my mesh off of the roll. I'm going to twist my mesh one final time. And I'm going to tuck it inside the middle of my wreath somewhere, anywhere where it's not visible. And then I'm just going to tie it in one final knot. Just like that, and then cut away or tuck away the excess mesh. And we're just going to shape up our wreath. You can definitely leave it like this. It looks so cute and precious like this. Or you can separate your layers. I always like to separate the layers. One, because I have 2 different colors and it's gonna just make it look even cuter. But it also makes the wreath a little fluffier and poofier. It gives it a little more volume. But it's whichever way you prefer. Sometimes I actually leave it layered. So just go with what works best for you. But I'm going to go ahead and separate all of these layers and show you what it's looking like. And you are all done. It looks so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the colors, the styles to fit your theme. You can even add in any additional embellishments. You can add in crosses or eggs, carrots, a cute little sign in the center, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make.